Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Bridget Danner, and I wanted to post a little video on the September specials from doTERRA because they are hot, 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 and I don't want you to miss them. So there are a lot of women in my community, literally hundreds, who have watched some of my essential oil webinars. They're reading the blogs. I can tell y'all are doing it, but you haven't pulled the trigger yet. So if there was some reason you're putting it off or just hadn't gotten around to it, I'm going to say that September is the time to get her done because the deals for this month are amazing, both from doTERRA and from me. So I want to run through all that right now. So there are 6 kits that are on sale with doTERRA. So a kit means an enrollment kit. It's like a pre-packaged set of oils and stuff you get already at a discount when you enroll as a new wholesale customer. So with every kit, your wholesale membership, which is normally $30 the first time you enroll, is waived. And then there's just a discount on everything in there. Because, for example, if you get a set with the main 10 popular oils, frankincense is in there, and it's a super expensive oil on its own, but as a kit, it's less expensive. So already great deals, but let's talk about the additional deals you're going to be getting. And I'm going to share, let's see, I'll share my screen for a minute, and then I'll go back to showing some of the gifts that we have for you. Okay. So let's start out here. This is going to be on our blog soon, but I'm giving you a little sneak peek. These are the specials going on for the 6 kits. So each of these kits is right now 20% off. I'm going to start with the most expensive kit and work down to the most affordable kit. So don't freak out if the first kit sounds really expensive. But it's an amazing kit. They're all great kits, and just whatever fits your price point and what's going on for you right now is perfect. So this first kit is called the Diamond Kit. And this is literally everything that doTERRA offers is in this kit. Every oil, every spa product, the laundry detergent, the hand soap, the diffuser, everything is in this kit. And it is normally $2,650, which again is already discounted, but it's 20% off, so it's $2,120. So it's over $500 off. Like, you could get a flight somewhere with that money that you save. So already a huge discount, and I wanted to add a big bonus to that too. So I am giving away a private session with me, which is $497 normally, along with this packet, like this welcome packet I'm going to send you. So you're basically getting over $3,000 in value for a little over $2,000. It's pretty awesome. So if you've been thinking about this and you've got some money to play around with, you're not going to regret it. First of all, they have a great return policy if you ever, do want to return something, but you're not going to regret it because these products are amazing. So I want to show you this kit real quick. And again, if this kit is not in your budget, don't worry about it. We got more to talk about. This is the Diamond Kit here. Has all this huge pile of things in it. Shampoo, the skincare products, the supplements, the digestive enzymes, everything's in there. So that's the Diamond Kit. Next kit we'll talk about is the Every Oil Kit, and I'll go back and show you. That one's here on the lower left. Now this is normally $1,825 when you sign up as a wholesale member, which is again a big discount already of over like $600. And right now that Every Oil Kit is $1,460, and I give you a free session with me. So you're getting, again, like $2,200 in value for $1,400 more or less. Honestly, that even without what I'm throwing in, this is a great kit because it has every oil, and these are some expensive oils in here. This is rose oil, jasmine, copaiba, frankincense, helichrysum, melissa. The little bottle of melissa is like $140 alone. So you're getting a lot, and you're getting a diffuser and a carrier oil. So if you're interested in that, honestly, like, I wish I wasn't already signed up because I would sign up with this kit. because then you just have everything, and it's going to last you like 3 years, I mean, minimum. So it's like a pretty good deal you're getting, considering you can use it for yourself and your family for years to come. So that's the Every Oil Kit. And next is the Natural Solutions Kit. So this kit is a little bit more commonly ordered because it's a little bit more affordable. So it's normally $5.50 with its discounts, and now it's $4.40. So Natural Solutions Kit has a set of some of the most popular oils, an oil organizer, a really nice premium diffuser, the hand soap, the daily vitamins, the enzymes, the deep blue rub, which I love, the shampoo set, some first aid items. So it's kind of like getting your oil collection going, plus getting some things around the home so you go non-toxic, and then testing out some of the supplements. I'm a big supplement snob, and I love this. I love their supplements. I'll be honest. I think they've done a really good job with their supplements. You can tell that, there are doctors and chiropractors, influencing and running this company and making good decisions. So that's the Natural Solutions. It's $4.40. You don't get a private session with me, but you still get this package of goodies worth about $20. And you get to be in my, Facebook group and get a training series with me, that kind of a thing. Next one is, this kit is also on sale, the Home Essentials Kit. This one is very popular as well. These two are very popular. This has the top 10 oils, and most of them are full size except the deep blue is tinier. And it has this petal diffuser, which is really sweet and cute. And it's normally $275. Let's check my math. So now it's $220, which is a smoking good deal for 10 oils that are really kind of what every home needs. You'll be getting a little booklet from me about how to use oils. So you'll get plenty of training on how to use these in a diffuser that you're going to want anyways for $220. It's a good deal, ladies. Great. Keep going. We don't have much longer. We have 2 more kits. So the Cleanse and Restore Kit and the Emotional Aromatherapy Diffused Kit. So Cleanse and Restore, where are we? If for some reason you're not like into getting a bunch of oils, or maybe you already have a bunch of oils, but you are into like detoxing, losing weight, just kind of resetting your health, you might want to consider this Cleanse and Restore Kit. It's normally $245, but it goes down to under $200 with the discount. These discounts, by the way, will automatically be taken off in your cart. So you don't have to worry about a code or anything. If for some reason it's not working, you may live in a country where this offer is not valid. So it's definitely valid in US and Canada, but it's not every country can honor this just because of the inventory or whatever in each country. So those are pretty much the only reasons. If you're in the right country, so to speak, and you ordered one of the kits that are supposed to be on discount, it's not working, then you'll have to contact customer service because it should be working. So anyway, the Cleanse and Restore Kit has supplements and some oil, ingestible soft gel oils, and some lemon oil. So it's just a whole kit with a booklet on how to do a cleanse. And then lastly, we'll talk about this Emotional Aromatherapy Diffused Kit. This is the premium diffuser. I think it's called a Lumo, and it can run on and off for 8 hours, which is pretty cool. And then this kit of 6 oils. These are all small sized oils, but they're all very premium. They're all blends for things like grief, joy, peace, that kind of a thing. So these are kind of the specialty blends. These could be good if you're going through some difficult times and you just need that emotional support. Maybe going through menopause or divorce. Maybe your child is kind of going through an emotional time right now, can't control his or her moods very well. These children respond really well to essential oils. So this is normally $195, and the price goes down to $156. So that one is the most affordable of the ones that are on promotion of the 6. But again, I would say these 2 are the most popular: Home Essentials, Natural Solutions. Honestly, I'm gunning for some people to go for the Every Oil Kit or the Diamond Kit because I want to spend the time with you. We'll go over your health. We'll talk about oils. We'll talk about supplements. Talk about everything. go over your whole history. And honestly, yeah, I would love to go back in time and buy this every oil kit. There are oils in here I still don't have, and you'll have them before me. So I think that's a great value for about $1,400, plus you're getting a session with me. Okay, let me stop sharing, and I'm going to go back and show you the other prizes. So just this month only, I always send people a little welcome, but this month only, because this is big promotion, I'm going to send you a little more. So first of all, I'm going to send you this live guide, which is just a little, you know, it's not heavy, but it's just a little guide to understanding how to use oils in your everyday life and kind of recognize issues that you might be dealing with and some things that would match up. Also, I have this booklet that people go completely crazy for. It's much bigger, and it has all sorts of conditions in here, like laryngitis, leg cramps. I have that. Just different conditions in what oils you can use. Then it goes over some recipes, like if you are spraying weeds in your garden or you're trying to freshen your kitchen, they give you recipes, and then they go over the oils like one by one to tell you a little bit about them. You'll also get a big book on oils from doTERRA and a sheet of stickers, so you can put them on the top of your bottle. Speaking of, something you'll get with the freebies is this little pouch. Now, this one is my pouch, so you can't have my pouch. Mine's already loaded with my favorite oils. So you'll get 8 empty bottles, and you'll take a dropper, like from a, you know, like your vitamins or an extra dropper you have. You're going to open them up, and you're going to fill them up with your favorite oils that you want to have on the go. So for instance, I have On Guard, Peppermint, Serenity, Breathe, Digestion, Deep Blue, Tea Tree. So whatever you want. I have Slim and Sassy in here. And then you use your little stickers for the top that you'll get as well. This thing is so nice to have when you're on the go, because it's often when you're traveling or you're out that you get a headache or you don't feel well. So you have it for yourself, and then you also have it for your family, for friends you're with. Like, I've definitely busted this out when people are like, oh, I have a stomach ache, whatever's going on. So it's a really fun way to share oils. So you'll get one of these. It's called a keychain carrier, something like that. You'll get one of these, a little Deep Blue Rub sample. You can use this on the go, or you can just sample it if you've never tried it. A bottle of this will last you like 2 years, and I love this. And then you'll get the toothpaste. You'll get a sample of the essential oil-based toothpaste. And you get a pretty large sample of the shampoo and conditioner, which has infused with essential oils. So if there's a product you didn't get in your kit, you'll have a chance to try it out. And if you did get it in your kit, you have some for traveling. So I think that's it. Oh, one more thing I want to show you how to order. It's all pretty easy to order online. Right now, oops, hold on one second. Right now, I'll show you where it is on my site currently. So right now it's at bridgetdanner.com. And currently my shop page has like several drop-down tabs, and one of them is doTERRA. But later, the shop page is just going to go to our shop, and you'll have everything on there. But right now you can click down to doTERRA. I'm just showing you an easy way to remember in case you don't have the link in front of you. So go to shop, go to doTERRA. Oh, whoops, this is not the right thing. I went to the wrong thing. And then you want to basically get an account started. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, here we go. So this is the doTERRA page, and you want to click this button that says Start a Wholesale Account. We're letting you know you're moving off our website onto doTERRA's website, and it's my personal doTERRA website. And if you're worried at all that you won't use the oils, I will be on you to use these oils. You really have to use them to get the benefit, so I want to make sure you're getting the benefit. Okay, so you're going to click on, do I want to become a wholesale customer? That's what most people are going to choose. Or do you want to become a wellness advocate? A wellness advocate is someone who is not only using the oils, but they're sharing the oils and making money for signing up people. So choose one of those. It's the same price. And if you have any questions, you can email me. And then you just put in all your personal information here. They're asking you to choose your country and language. So again, if you choose like, you know, Taiwan, you may not see the same special, right? Because it might not be available in Taiwan, but they'll have something available. It just differs between countries, unfortunately. So I accidentally pushed Taiwan's. So this is what it looks like from Taiwan. But they'll ask you to fill in your name and pick a password and that kind of a thing. And then you'll go through to choose a kit. So all the kits will be there. You can click through to see what's in them and get more details. You'll have my, my blog there to reference so that you can know which kit is which and what the discounts are, and the discount will go off right in the cart. So thanks for your patience. I just thought I'll walk people through that in case there's any confusion. Yeah, and I really hope you join our community this month. We have the best doTERRA community because we have so many very knowledgeable people in our team. So you won't be alone. We'll get you using your oils, and I think you're going to fall in love. Thanks, everybody.